Hey guys, how's it going? So welcome to another video. So in this video, we are still testing the Athlon 200GE kasi ang dami kong request sa Facebook ko. So right now we're playing Diablo Immortal. You can download this game sa Battle.net na game program. It's free. So this is my character. Pinili ko Barbarian. And right now, hindi ko pa na-adjust ang settings So we're getting 40 FPS here in this village. Wow, it's so smooth. The game is so smooth. Kahit, like, you can feel talaga the difference. So, notice ko is that sa graphics natin, sa Vega 3 graphics, we're getting 98%. So, it's using ng 98% ng graphics power niya. While the CPU na side is only 27%. So, this is a graphic intensive game. We're getting 48 degrees na temperature sa CPU, and sa CPU is pulling around 25 watts na power. So guys, if you wanna play this game and you have an Athlon 200GE, kaya nyo talaga. So wait lang adjust ko lang muna ang graphics. Okay, so we're here sa graphics. Makapili kayo kung anong gusto nyo. Try to uncap so off ang vertical sync and image sharpening off. Graphics quality is low, so let's try lang uncap muna. So we're getting still 50 plus. So try ko we're getting below 50. So try natin let's try to put it sa low talaga. Everything's sa low. Yan. Yep. Everything seems naman. Not parang wala man nag-change oil. Okay, check ulit. Parang hindi Okay, run the benchmark. And by the way guys, ang resolution ng monitor natin is 1440 by 900. So far guys, okay siya ang quality kahit we're getting below 60 FPS. Wait lang. So I'm trying to get past ng 60 FPS. Let's try 120 ba. Wala. Okay, ganyan lang talaga. So sa specs natin na Athlon 200GE, dalawang 4 gig na RAM with a total na 8 gig lahat, we are getting 45 to 60 FPS sa performance niya, and set ang graphics lahat sa low. After testing Diablo Immortal, I tried playing Warzone. So I keep getting this error, guys. I don't know, I tried everything. So I guess that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!